Welcome to our in-depth review of Krystal Grand Los Cabos, a luxurious beachfront resort that promises an unforgettable experience in the heart of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Let's dive into what makes this 5-star all-inclusive property a standout destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. First, let's talk about the accommodations. Krystal Grand Los Cabos offers a variety of room types to suit different needs and preferences. The deluxe rooms are spacious, measuring approximately 45 to 50 square meters, and feature modern decor with a touch of Mexican flair. These rooms come with either a king bed or 2 queen beds, perfect for couples or small families. The private balcony or terrace is a great spot to sip your morning coffee while enjoying garden or partial ocean views. For those seeking a more luxurious experience, the Junior Suite Ocean View is a step up, offering around 60 to 70 square meters of space and breathtaking panoramic ocean views. The separate sitting area adds an extra touch of comfort, making it ideal for longer stays. If you're really looking to splurge, the Master Suite is the way to go. At an impressive 90 to 100 square meters, these suites feature separate living and dining areas, a large balcony or terrace, and a jacuzzi tub for ultimate relaxation. All rooms come equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, minibars, and free Wi-Fi. The decor throughout is a pleasing blend of contemporary design and Mexican-inspired accents, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that reminds you you're in paradise. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Krystal Grand Los Cabos doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. The main restaurant, La Casona, offers a buffet-style experience with a wide variety of international and Mexican cuisine. Imagine starting your day with a spread of fresh tropical fruits, made-to-order omelets, and traditional Mexican breakfast dishes like chilaquiles. For lunch and dinner, the buffet transforms to offer everything from fresh seafood and grilled meats to Mexican specialties and international favorites. If you're in the mood for a more upscale dining experience, El Faro is the place to be. This specialty restaurant focuses on gourmet seafood and Mexican dishes, with menu highlights including succulent lobster, perfectly grilled octopus, and rich mole dishes. The dress code here is smart casual, so it's a great excuse to dress up a bit for a romantic evening out. For those lazy days by the beach or pool, the Blue Bar offers a selection of refreshing cocktails and light snacks. Picture yourself sipping on a perfectly mixed margarita while watching the waves crash on the shore. Now that's vacation. The resort also hosts themed buffet nights, such as a Mexican fiesta, adding a fun and festive element to your dining experience. With multiple venues to choose from, you'll never get bored with the food options during your stay. One of the main attractions of any beach resort is, of course, the pools and beaches. Krystal Grand Los Cabos doesn't disappoint in this department. The resort boasts 3 outdoor pools, each offering a unique experience. The main infinity pool is a showstopper, stretching about 25 meters in length and featuring a swim-up bar where you can enjoy your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water. The edge of the pool seems to blend seamlessly with the ocean horizon, creating a truly mesmerizing view. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, there's an adults-only pool where you can relax in peace, away from the energetic atmosphere of the family pool. Speaking of which, the family pool is a hit with kids and parents alike, offering a safe and fun environment for splashing around. All pools are surrounded by comfortable loungers and umbrellas, perfect for soaking up the Mexican sun. Pool service is available throughout the day, so you can order snacks and drinks without having to leave your spot. As for the beach, Krystal Grand Los Cabos boasts a stunning 300-meter stretch of sandy shoreline. The gentle waves make it ideal for swimming, and the resort provides complimentary loungers, umbrellas, and towels for guests. For the more adventurous, water sports like kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling are available. Imagine spending your afternoons alternating between refreshing dips in the pool and leisurely walks along the beach, collecting seashells and watching the sunset. It's the stuff vacation dreams are made of. For those who like to stay active even while on vacation, Krystal Grand Los Cabos offers a range of activities to keep you entertained. The fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment, allowing you to maintain your workout routine even while away from home. If you prefer group activities, yoga and Pilates classes are offered on select days, providing a great opportunity to stretch and unwind. For tennis enthusiasts, the resort's courts are available for a friendly match or two. If you're looking for something a bit more adventurous, the concierge can arrange various excursions, including snorkeling trips, whale watching tours seasonal, and deep-sea fishing expeditions. These activities allow you to explore the natural beauty of Los Cabos and create unforgettable memories. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, the resort offers cooking classes where you can learn to make traditional Mexican dishes, as well as tequila tasting sessions where you can sample some of Mexico's finest spirits. In the evenings, the resort comes alive with entertainment options, including live music, themed parties, and cultural shows, ensuring that there's never a dull moment during your stay. After all that activity, you might be in need of some relaxation, and that's where the spa and wellness facilities come in. The spa at Krystal Grand Los Cabos is a sanctuary of tranquility, offering a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate both body and mind. Indulge in a variety of massages, from traditional Swedish to hot stone therapy, or try one of their signature treatments that incorporate local ingredients and techniques. The facial treatments use high-quality products to address various skin concerns, leaving you with a healthy, glowing complexion. For a truly immersive experience, try one of the body wraps or hydrotherapy treatments. The spa also features a sauna and steam room, perfect for detoxifying and relaxing tired muscles. If you're looking for a more holistic approach to wellness, the resort offers yoga and meditation classes, often held on the beach at sunrise, a truly magical way to start your day. The spa's relaxation lounges provide a quiet space to unwind before or after your treatments, complete with herbal teas and healthy snacks. Whether you're looking to pamper yourself with a day of luxury treatments or simply want to de-stress with a quick massage, the spa at Krystal Grand Los Cabos has something for everyone. Families traveling with children will be pleased to know that Krystal Grand Los Cabos offers a range of activities and facilities designed specifically for younger guests. The Kids Club is a haven for children aged 4 to 12, offering supervised activities from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Here, kids can participate in arts and craft sessions, play games, and make new friends in a safe and fun environment. The club staff are trained to keep children entertained and engaged, allowing parents to enjoy some much-needed relaxation time. For older children and teens, the resort offers activities like beach volleyball, table tennis, and video game consoles. The family pool is a popular spot, featuring shallow areas for younger children and plenty of space for water games. For family bonding time, the resort organizes activities like movie nights under the stars and family-friendly competitions. The restaurants also cater to younger palates with kid-friendly menu options, and many offer high chairs and booster seats for the littlest guests. For parents traveling with infants, the resort can provide cribs and babysitting services upon request, ensuring that even the youngest travelers are well taken care of. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.